everyone. This is David Twigger back with another Twigger Time tip. I hope you're enjoying yourselves and surviving everything. This one is obviously surviving the quarantine. Tip number 2, hobbies. We're all going through a lot of stress right now, working through what should we be doing with work, and do we have to pivot our company, and webinar overload as far as I have to learn this new topic and this new statistic. All of that is true, and we'll kind of walk through all that in another episode, but this one really is more how to relax again, and this one is hobbies. Now, everybody thinks, hobbies back in the day were shipbuilding or painting or sculpting, or it could be gardening, but it could be almost anything that you want. It could be listening to music, it could be video editing, it could be reading, anything like that. What takes you to that really relaxing place and lets you just be you. I'm going to share with you mine right now, which happens to be fashion. Now, fashion I think is incredibly important because it's a way for people to express themselves. It's not just clothes, although obviously it's a big piece of it, but it's an expression to me. It's something that you can do, and I love creativity, and I love people who are very creative, and so the option of what I love about fashion is just that. So I'm going to talk to you about how I get into my hobby and my fashion piece, and one of the things that I do love is the Bible. It's called the Fashion Book. I got it from my husband and my mom for a present, and it's absolutely anybody and everybody has anything to do with like fashion world as far as designers, accessories, photographers, models, accessory designers, everything in there. It has a little tidbit about each and every single one of them, like Helmut Lang and P. Lesser and John Galliano and Madonna and a little bit of everybody. And this is just my Bible. Like sometimes I'll just sit down and read it and learn more and more and more about different designers and things about fashion. That's one thing that I get into. The other piece besides the Bible that you have to have that I love to share with people, and I hope that you'll watch, is a documentary called Scatter My Ashes at Bergdorf's. And it's an amazing thing that was done in 2013, all about this iconic store in New York City on Fifth Avenue that every single designer has ever wanted to be in. It's glamorous, it's fun, and of course the best thing in it is one of my idols, Betty Albrecht is the way she says it. She's a personal shopper there, and she has shopped for everybody you can possibly imagine, heads of state and celebrities and anybody, and she's just divine. So take a look.
Part of why you come to see Betty is that she knows what she's doing.
This is a very tricky business.
She's the peak of personal shoppers.
There's a customer who's trying something, she's like, oh, that's terrible, really terrible, but buy it because it's not as terrible as what you came in wearing.
What do you think you'd be doing if you weren't doing this?
Drinking.
I mean, do you not love her? It's amazing. So I highly recommend sit down for a while, grab a drink, watch this documentary. But anyways, that's another reason why that's the hobby for me is fashion, is doing history and just getting into something. Again, it doesn't have to be physical, whatever. It's just something that you enjoy. And another reason, obviously, is because the expression there was like, well, David, a lot of times you just wear jeans and t-shirt. That's my expression. But every once in a while, or this. Or this, or even this, or this, or it could be even accessories and you do it like this. It could be shoes, my favorite CDs from Mr. Turk, or my custom designed boots that I just got in that I absolutely love. It could just be a little piece. So again, whatever you do, no matter what it is, just enjoy it, relax, and enjoy the fact that we're doing life as much as we can right now. Thanks for watching Twigger Time, and we will see you soon.